The interview. Don't worry, I will interview you very, very well. Alright? I don't bite. So, how do you love being interviewed? Do you want it hard or softly? Do you want it fast or slow? Or do you want it rough or gently?
I don't want it at all, sir.
I don't understand.
I want to get married now.
So come here!
Sir, please, stop this.
Come here!
I said I'm no longer interested. Allow me to go. What are you doing? Sir, what is this? Let me go.
Go away.
Let me go.
Daddy, I'm hungry. I cannot continue doing this assignment.
Chinenye.
Yes, Daddy.
Each time you talk like this, it breaks my heart. You see, I understand how you feel, okay? But you just have to bear. Just exercise some options. I'm sure that your sister will be back soon. When she comes, I'm sure she must have made something, so she'll bring something for us, okay? But for now, you need to be patient and just try and continue your assignment, oh? Okay.
Daddy, good evening, sir.
Oh,
Good evening,
Choma,
sir.
you're back.
Yes, sir.
Welcome.
Thank you.
I hope you did not break your back at work today.
Dad, I'm fine.
Choma, you're fine? I hope you did not stress yourself too much today.
Dad, relax. I'm okay. I'm fine.
Okay.
Chi,
Yes, sister.
are you okay?
I'm okay. I'm hungry.
Is that why your face is like that? It's okay. I was able to buy some food stuff, so I'll just quickly prepare something for it.
You bought some food stuff?
Yes, Daddy.
God will bless you, my child.
Thank you.
God will bless you.
So let me just hurry up and do it, okay?
No. Choma, my child.
Yes, Dad.
You've seen what life has made out of us. You've seen it. Ever since I lost my sight, we lost everything. We lost everything except this house. I don't know. I don't know for how long we are going to continue like this. I don't know.
Dad, it's okay. It's not the end of the world. At least we have each other.
Yes, I know.
That's why I'm always trying my best to see that I help out by getting a job so I can make things easier.
And you think I am happy each time I see you go through all those? Choma, you think I am happy? I break. I break each time you go through that stress to put food on our table. I know your mother's been trying, but each time I see you people go through this pain, it reminds me of how much of a failure I have become as a father. Your mother is trying, yes. She's doing her best, but look at you. Chama, you're supposed to be in school at your age. But you had to drop out of school. I don't know, but I believe God, okay? No, wait. Are you crying?
No, I'm not. I'm
Chama,
not
are you
crying.
crying?
No, Daddy.
Please, you know it's going to break my heart.
I'm
No.
not. I'm not crying.
Okay, see. Okay, I'll be strong for you, okay? Okay? Everything will be fine. One day, I'll be strong for us, okay? One day, I know God will see us through. He will remember us.
Amen.
He will smile at us.
Amen.
Hello? Abigail! Hey! Abigail! How are you? It's been a while. How is the city?
My sister, Lagos is beautiful.
I have missed you.
Same here, my darling. I even had to beg Okudili, my cousin, to help find me your number.
You did well. So what part of the city do you live in?
I stay on the island.
Oh, wow. Island. In Lagos. Hey, big girl, oh. I hear only the rich stay on the island.
You heard well, my sister. The ocean did a very good job separating the rich from the poor in Lagos. By the way, what are you still doing in that village?
Nne, you have seen it now. My dream is to actually move to the city, get a job in Lagos, start my life. But, Fugonian, do I know anybody in Lagos? No. So I'm still here.
How can you say that? But you have me here. When would you like to come?
Hey? Nne, wait. Is this you trying to say that I should come and live with you?
Why not?
Hey! Thank you. Thank you so much. Hey, God will bless you. Hey! Mua, Lagos. Wow.
Don't mention. So when are you coming?
Hello?
Hello?
Oh, okay, yes. I don't know. I'll just run around for my transport money, then I'll come.
You know what? Just send me your account details. I can help with that.
Hey, what is happening? Are you serious? You're too good. I'll do it right away. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you.
It's okay.
All right.
I'll
Ne
text you
baby. Thank you. Thank you. I'll call you. Hey, bye-bye. Hey, it's a bomb madu. Just like that. Dad, Mom, I'll be traveling to Lagos next week. A friend of mine wants to help me get a job.
A friend?
Choma, this friend of yours, is he a man or a woman?
It's a lady, Dad. Her name is Abigail, Chief Ukana's first daughter.
Oh, Abigail. I remember her. Ukana, her father, is a noble man, and I'm sure he must have raised her well. You have my blessings, my child.
Just like that. I don't like this arrangement though. What will she be eating before she gets a job?
Mom, that's not a problem. I'll eat anything. I'll find a way to survive. Besides, it won't take long before I get a job. Then I'll start sending money home.
I've always known that God will use you to raise and change our stories.
And God will bless you, my child. Huh? He will give you a very rich and caring man.
Amen.
Who will take us out of these struggles that we've been through.
Amen.
Amen. God bless you, my child. But how are you going to raise your transport fare? Because I know that going to Lagos from here is going to cost us a fortune.
I know, but that has already been taken care of.
Oh, thank God. Thank God.
Yes, ma'am. I have a long day tomorrow. I'd like to go and sleep.
Okay, my child. Huh? Sleep well, huh?
Okay. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
My phone! My phone! Hey! I help you! I just call Lagos. I just call Lagos. I don't know anyone for Lagos. Wanna help me? They don't take my phone. Hey! Where I want go? Where I want go? Who I want go? Hello.
Hello. Good day, dear.
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Come in. Come in. Come in. Come in.
I should come in.
Come in.
Thank you, sir.
Come. Come.
Sir.
Okay. Any problem?
No problem, sir. Sir, do you still need a house girl?
Oh, ask girl. Do you need it?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, we need house girl. We need house girl. Okay. You know what you go do for me? You go turn around for me, wallahi. Turn.
Eh?
Yes, I say make it turn around. I want to see something, wallahi.
Who are you there with?
Good afternoon, ma.
Shimon?
Why are you not washing the car?
Madam, I beg, no press. I will do it now, I beg.
Go and wash that car.
Okay. Thank you,
Good afternoon.
Don't tell me that a responsible looking lady like you is one of Musa's numerous girlfriends.
Girlfriend? No, ma. I don't know him. I'm here in respect of the notice I saw.
Oh, okay. So you're here to apply for a housekeeper?
Yes, ma.
Okay. It's all right. Come with me.
Ma?
Come with me.
Thank you, ma. Thank you. Thank you, ma. Okay, thank you, ma.
So, what's your name?
My name is Choma.
Choma. So, have you done this job before? Housekeeping?
Actually, ma, I haven't done any housekeeping job before, but I've been the one taking care of all my younger siblings at home. The house chores too, including my blind father.
Oh dear. Your father is blind?
Yes, ma.
I'm so sorry.
Thank you, ma.
Well, since you said you're the one taking care of your siblings and your parents, it's all right, that works for me.
Does that mean I've got the job?
Not exactly. At least not until you pass my test.
Test?
Yeah, of course. I have to test your cooking abilities.
Oh.
So I'll get you to cook for me. I'll taste it, then take it from there.
Okay, ma.
Is that okay?
That's perfect, ma.
Are you ready?
Yes, ma.
Okay, this way.
Okay, thank you, ma. God bless you, ma.
Okay, so this is the kitchen.
Okay, ma.
You'll be making my husband's favorite food, which is, can you guess?
No, ma.
Okay, you're surprised. Custard and fried plantain. Can you make that?
Ma, even with my eyes closed.
Okay then. That's the frying pan. The oil is here. That's a dish for the custard. Then this is a cooker.
Okay.
Want anything else?
How do I turn on the gas?
Oh, it's automatic. So it's quite easy. See, it's on. Okay, so you push in and you turn to your left.
Okay, ma.
The battery is here. So
just one more thing.
okay.
Am I being timed?
Oh no, absolutely not. Just take your time. Just
Okay.
make it nice.
Finish it.
All right.
Sharp, sharp.
Okay.
Very fast.
I just hope so.
Thank you, ma.
All right. Good luck. Oh, honey, you're back. Really? Well, everything good. I think we might have gotten ourselves a new cook.
Oh, has someone applied?
Well, she applied today. Told her to try out something, so she's in the kitchen.
And you allowed a stranger into our kitchen?
I know, but there's something about this girl. There's something that makes me feel like I can trust her. She looks innocent, so.
Just like when a politician is asking for votes.
Says a fellow politician, remember?
And not all politicians are the same, you know.
I thought as much. I knew you wouldn't say that. I knew you want to remove yourself from this.
And you expect me to shoot myself in the leg?
The leg, exactly.
Honey, what am I smelling?
Your favorite, of course. Plantain. She's frying plantain. I just wanted her to do that so it can be.
You know, I can eat plantain 7 days in a week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday.
Tell me about it.
Sunday.
Hey. Hey.
Hey. Ishe.
No, this is beyond the plantain smell. No.
Okay, smelling like it's burnt.
Yes.
Something, right?
Something must be burning.
Let me check.
I hope she's up bringing down this house.
I hope not. Hey. What is burning? You burnt the plantain?
Ma, I'm sorry. Let me do it all over again. It's the devil.
Wow.
Ma, I don't know what happened. Ma, I'm sorry, Ma.
Honey, this is a mistake. She almost burnt down the house. Huh?
Sir, please. I'm sorry. Let me make something else. Let me prepare akpu and afora. I can even make bitter leaf soup. I can cook. I can even bake. I can. Please.
Sweetheart, I think you should get a professional cook. Not this one that will turn this house into a chimney. I think
You're
that's
right.
right.
No,
You're
sir. I
right.
can cook. This type of thing has never happened before. I know who is behind this. It's my uncle Akwaja from the village. He followed me to the city. Ma, it's my village people.
Your village people has no hand in this. This was just you. You were too confident and that's why you failed.
You did this. Please, give me another chance. I promise you.
Look, I will certainly not employ you as a cook.
Hey.
But I might just have another job.
Really? Thank you, Ma. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. God bless you.
Well, looking at you, I don't think you're up to the job.
Ma, I am up to it. I can do it.
There she goes again, boasting.
I can do it as long as you pay me. What's there? I will do it.
Get pregnant for my son.
Huh?
Oh, yes. Carry the baby to term. Give birth to the baby.
Huh?
That's it. See? She's not up to it.
I'll do it. I will. As long as your son likes me, I will get pregnant by him.
I guess it's time she met him.
Okay. So would you like to meet my son?
Ma?
Would you like to meet my son?
Yes, sure.
Okay then. You're on your feet. Come with me. Come in. Oh. Sorry, but this is my son. His tissue, I don't know. He kept it. This is my son. He's actually very cute. Don't bother about all this. Can't find your tissue.
my God.
What's wrong? Hey, where's your phone? I've been calling you, Choma. I could not sleep last night.
It's a long story.
Okay, where's your bag, your luggages, everything?
They took it away from me last night. I was robbed. They took my phone. They took everything. I've been stranded.
You know what? Get into the car, okay?
I God, thank you, Jesus.
Ne. Hey.
My uncle about. Sit down.
Ne. Ah, you didn't tell me you live in heaven, no.
My dear, I know they watch me already.
I'm serious. Hey.
Okay. What would you like to drink? What should I offer you?
Give me anything you have. A beggar has no choice.
Okay, I'll correct you there. First of all, you're not a beggar. Secondly, this is Lagos, my dear. You have choices.
Ah, yeah. Choices. I like that. Shall we go?
Hey, Choma. Hey, let me get you something.
Hey. My sister. Hey, Lagos, here I come. Hey.
So, here you go. Salt for a start. Knock yourself out.
What is this? Why did you bring one glass? Are you not drinking with me?
Toyos.
Mbakwa. Hello. Hey! Do you know what you're saying? Don't you know it is a taboo for one person to finish one whole...
Choma, Biko, oh. See juice and drink, I beg. You're so funny. I'm in trouble.
Yes, ma. Hey! Hey!
Thank you.
Oh. Also, yeah. Ne, thank you so much.
What for?
For bringing me to Lagos. For letting me stay in your fine house.
Choma, it's okay. It's nothing. Remember, you're my best friend.
Was, Ne. And remember, that was childhood friendship. We have grown. A lot has changed. We are worlds apart now.
Okay. Let's say that was childhood friendship. And this one is adulthood friendship.
Is there anything like that?
I don't know.
Anyway, Dalu.
It's okay, Chioma.
Oh, go. Okay.
Okay.
Remember, he promised that once I come to the city, you help me secure a job.
Chioma, you're barely 7 hours in Lagos and you're already talking about jobs.
Hey, time is money. Hey, there's no time. Let's do it sharp.
Okay. You don't need to worry about that because I already have a job for you.
Hey! Already?
Yes.
Ne, you're full of surprises.
I know.
Thank you. So, when am I going for the interview? Or don't I need to worry about that?
Interview? Oh, yes. Tomorrow. Get ready and I'll take you to your interview. And if you do well, which I know you would, you get to start work immediately.
Trust me, I will not carry last.
I trust you.
Hey, my bestie.
Chichi the king.
Ne. Abigail. We are running late for the interview. Do you know what the time is? It's past 9 a.m. and you're still in bed. Are you not going to work?
God. Okay, Chi. First of all, I am my own boss. I don't go to work this early. And second of all, please, can you relax? You go work tired, so I don't know why you'll get. Just relax, I beg.
Okay. But what about the interview?
Interview.
Isn't it going to hold?
Oh, the interview. Yes, it will hold. Sure, why not? You know what? They don't hold interviews by this time. Maybe like later in the evening, ahead, then the interview will hold. Yes.
But I thought...
Chioma, things are done differently here. Okay? This is Lagos. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
So, what will I be doing for the rest of the day?
Oh no, just go to the living room, watch TV, eat, sleep, whatever. Just relax, okay? Just go.
Okay,
Just
let
go.
me quickly change to another.
Better. Let's go. Change. Because
Ifeni.
Chioma. Chi, wake up. It's time for your interview. We are almost running late. Get up, get dressed. Let's go.
Interview?
Yes, interview. Don't you want the job anymore?
I do.
Hurry up. Better not waste my time.
Okay. Please. Wait for me. I will change.
Chioma, hurry up.
Nne, this interview we're going this evening, what type of job is that, please?
Don't worry, my dear. When we get there, you would understand.
Okay, I hope they pay well.
Very well. Very, very well.
God, I beg go. Help me. Need to be sending money home.
Oh my gosh. Chioma. Amy Malay. Yeah, I do.
Good evening, sir.
Chioma, this is Amy Malay, the guy that would interview you.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening, my dear. She's beautiful. I like her.
I knew you would. I think I better take my leave now. Let me leave you two to... All right. Make me proud, okay?
I'm ready for the interview, sir.
Oh, the interview. Don't worry, I will interview you very, very well. Alright? I don't bite. So, how do you love being interviewed? Do you want it hard or softly? Do you want it fast or slow? Or do you want it rough or gently?
I don't want it at all, sir.
I don't understand.
I want to get on my name.
So come here!
Sir, please, stop this.
Come here!
What is this? Let me go.
Go away.
Abigail!
Chio! Yes? You scatter her things like this. What's up now? You didn't even wait for me. Hmm? What's wrong? Did he hurt you? Oh, I see. I know that man. My first night with that man, my dear, now hot water and a body kiss saved my life the next day. So just go in, freshen up, take a hot bath. I'm sure you'll be fine. Okay? It's no big deal, you're a good girl. Okay? Stop fidgeting now. You'll be fine.
How far now?
Hi, I do.
My sister. Good morning.
Good morning.
Hi, everything.
Everything's okay. Yeah, sit down.
Thank you.
This one where you come my house.
I can't check you yesterday now, but I knock. I don't hear anybody.
No mind me, Jerry. I go see person yesterday.
That was everything now. Anyways, listen on your turn to collect a lawman money. So I say make I bring my own share. Once the thing enter, use and shock 1 or 2 to avoid the
stories. No wala. Make I just go change. I'll go collect my own.
No wala. Give me a move.
All right now.
I just collect small break. I see me around.
No problem. How the work now?
Work be fine. They push on. Anyhow, now go see later.
All right.
Neighbor.
On that particular night,
Who be that? Who be that? Now you? What?
Musa, Madam Day.
Madam Day, what's happening? Wait! Choma, I don't wait. What is it? Madam, I tell her I'm making wait. She don't want wait.
No. It's okay. Don't
Madam, make I go.
No. You? Why are you like this? Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine, ma.
Is there a problem?
No, ma. There's no problem, ma. I will marry your son. I will marry your son.
Okay, you marry my son?
Yes, ma.
Are you okay?
I'm fine, ma.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma.
Okay then. I'll just get my lawyers to come, we'll sign some documents, then we're good.
Okay, ma.
But for now, let's go meet your husband.
Huh?
Yeah, your husband.
Oh, okay.
All right. Oh, sweetheart, you missed yourself properly. Okay, so this is my son, Johnny. Johnny, hey, that's Chioma. Oh, likes you. And I think both of you will get along pretty well. Okay, so this is not difficult. It doesn't happen all the time, you know. When he's been left alone for a while, so he will get along well. Johnny, what do you say? Mom is right? Yeah. Smiling at you. Mom's always right. Okay. So come on, sit. Do you like it here? Good. Okay, sweetheart. You don't have to do any work in this house, okay? In fact, I forbid you from doing any stressful work. All I want you to do is just relax, get enough sleep, then spend quality time with my son so I can have grandchildren. Okay? That won't be too difficult for you to do, right? Good. Good girl. All right. I'll see you soon, all right? Meanwhile, let me go see if I can get you something to change into. I just hope I find something, right?
Shoma, my dear,
Yes, Daddy.
I want to put you through a little test.
Test?
Yes. Assuming you are faced with a situation whereby a mad dog chases after you, and all of a sudden, a roaring lion appears from nowhere and growls at you, what would you do?
Daddy, mad dog kwa. What kind of nightmare is that? I'll wake up now, open my eyes and stop imagining things.
Okay, in this case, let us assume it's not a nightmare. Let us assume it's reality. What would you do?
I don't know.
Okay. Now this is where I come in. You know, in life, there are times you are faced with two terrible situations where you find it so hard to pick or make a choice. I want you to always remember this. That whenever you are in between the devil and the deep blue sea, you choose the lesser evil. Okay?
Am I doing the right thing?
Of course you're doing the right thing. You should have let him have his way with you. After all, you're not better than other women who sleep with men for money. Choma, don't listen to her. Just look at you. No, take a good look at yourself. You're hiding. And you know what? This is only the beginning because you're going to be on the run for the rest of your miserable life. That's a lie. A terrible lie. You're doing the right thing. The police will catch up with you. And when they come here, you tell them exactly what happened. They won't believe you. Only the truth can set you free.
Good morning, Sleeping Beauty. Hello there. Good morning.
Good morning, ma.
How are you today? Did you sleep well?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. I thought to check up on you. I'm in the kitchen making breakfast. You mind joining me?
Sure, ma. With all pleasure.
Okay, come on, let's go. You know, something just crossed my mind.
Okay. Mind sharing?
Just remember the day you burnt plantain in this kitchen.
Oh.
It's your confidence for me. Like, you were so sure you knew what to do. Of course you knew what to do. But it felt like your limbs were doing something else. At some point, I pitied you.
My village people.
Oh, but that was good. At least.
Yes, ma'am.
You can laugh about it. So here you go.
Ma, what am I supposed to do with all this money?
That's your first pay. That's your first paycheck. I'm sure you have things to buy. Maybe some clothes.
Ma, thank you so much, ma.
You're
Thank
welcome.
you.
And I think this is actually part payment. Now, like I said.
Part payment?
Yes.
But ma, isn't this too much?
You're welcome. You deserve it.
God, thank you so much, ma. God bless you, ma.
Bless
Hey.
you too.
Thank you.
Actually, I'm thinking, shouldn't you move in with my son? I mean, in the same room.
Ma.
Yeah, I'm thinking. I'm sure he would like the presence of his wife around. All right, to give him access to, all of this.
Okay. Now I get your point, ma.
Yeah.
Thank you, ma.
You deserve this and more. You're such a sweetheart.
God bless you.
God bless you too.
Hey, for what? Just like that. Hey. Come.
Run! What are you waiting for? You have this money. Don't be a fool now.
What if they arrest me?
They can only arrest who they catch. This is 500,000 naira. 500,000 naira. Go to Uyo, start a new life. Do something. This money is good enough now.
You're right. You're making a lot of points. I mean, they're only nice to me because they need something from me.
Exactly. Now you're thinking. Don't be fooled by love. Don't listen to her, Choma. Don't listen. That's not who you are. Remember?
Shoma, there is something else I want you to understand. You know, in life, people with good hearts, pure souls, do not get into trouble. So as you go through life, I need you to understand that it is safest for you to keep your hands clean. Never take what you haven't worked for. Okay? If you live by this principle, you're going to be away from trouble all the way by the grace of God. Do you understand?
No, I can't run. I mean, we had an agreement. I should honor it.
You are a fool. You are a local foul. A very stupid person. You're obviously not using your brain right now. Yes. So you're letting her deceive you. Obviously, your destiny is tied to poverty. Lies. That is a very big lie. Only the good will be rewarded with riches. So show me one person in this entire city who has nothing to hide. Change begins with us.
Enough! Shut up, both of you. I don't want to hear one more word from either of you. No one is running.
A woman. That is what you are. Just so you know, the rich only use the poor to get richer. Choma, you can never get it wrong being a good person.
Look, I understand how you feel, all right? But if you don't want to do this, I won't force you. You sure? Okay.
now before it's too late. I mean, just take a good look at him. Look how disgusting. Look at your face too. You are also disgusted. So leave. Choma, just take care of him.
No. This is too much for me to handle.
Come on, you can't say that. He's your responsibility. If you take care of him properly, he'll turn out to be like every other man that you know. And you wouldn't be so uncomfortable or disgusted anymore.
Good morning, ma.
Good morning, darling. How are you?
Fine, thank you.
I hope you slept well.
Yes, ma.
Okay, good. Sit down.
Thank you, ma.
So, tell me, did he disturb you last night?
No, ma. But he did try to cuddle.
Yes. I knew he had it inside. So, what more? What more? Did you guys... Did you people do it?
Do what?
Oh, come on. You know what I'm talking about. Okay. Someone doesn't want to talk about it. That's fine. So, tell me. Want to tell me something?
Oh, yes, ma. I want to purchase these items for my husband.
Oh, okay. So what do you want to buy? Oh, there's a list?
Yes, ma.
Okay. What do you need all these items for?
Ma, I want to start taking care of my husband.
Oh, that's really sweet. Okay then, hold on to it. Account number, please.
No, ma. Actually, I was hoping that you would pick them up on your way back from the salon.
It's really, why can't you go pick them up yourself?
It's not like I cannot pick them up myself. It's just that I can't go out. I mean, actually, ma, Johnny and I are beginning to bond. He's getting used to my presence, and I don't want to leave him unattended. Besides, we're beginning to get comfortable with each other.
Sounds nice. That explains why he likes you a lot, right? It's all right. It's fine.
Thank you.
As for these little things, I'll get them for you when I'm coming back.
Thank you so much. Yes, ma.
All right. It's all right.
I'm going back to the
Okay,
kitchen.
that's fine. That's fine. Honey, that girl is such an angel.
I know. You know, she has exceeded my expectations, you know. I didn't expect all that.
You need to see the side I saw upstairs.
Really?
They are bonding.
Wow.
She's a darling.
See, she's such an angel, you know.
Honestly, she is.
So, I need to thank you.
For what?
For finding an angel, a life partner for our son.
That's my job. I'm his mom.
I know. I really think she's our son's guardian angel.
Absolutely. I agree with you. She is. She is.
I need to do something for her.
Okay. Let me guess. You want to give her money?
No, you know, I mean, she's an angel, you know, from heaven. I want to lubricate her wings so that she could flap it very well for her son.
Politicians, you all think you can bribe your way through everything. You just called her an angel. How do you even try to bribe an angel?
Listen to me. There must be some traffic jams on the way to heaven, or even inside heaven itself.
Bribing an angel won't get you into heaven. There are strict rules for that one. You can't trust me.
But I can try.
Stop.
Sir, what am I supposed to do with the money?
Choma,
Yes, Daddy.
what are you supposed to do with money? You can get yourself a car, invest in a house, give yourself a treat. Use money. Money is meant to be used by the use it. Okay? And there's another part to this. If you can get pregnant for my son, you'll have another 2 million.
Sir.
That's not the end. If you can give birth to the baby alive for my son, you have another 2 million.
And what do you think you're waiting for? Take this thing now. Choma, listen to me. Don't take it. Let God reward you for your good deeds, okay? He sees everything, trust me. And you do not want to rob yourself by your own hands.
Come on there. Take it. Take the money. Take it and use it.
Enjoy it.
Enjoy it.
Sorry, sir, but I can't accept this. It's my duty to take care of my husband.
My dear, we are not paying you. This is just a way of recognizing what you're doing to our son, and we just want to thank you. It's just a token. There's nothing in it.
No, sir. Sir, please. I don't want to take it. Thank you, sir.
You sleeping?
Yes, ma'am.
So, I thought to come and see you myself. Look, I'm sorry you felt like my husband was trying to bribe you. Okay? You know, I think I should tell you a little story. So, some time ago, a man walked into a restaurant where I was having lunch and just said, "Let me pay for your lunch," in a very awkward way. I didn't find it funny at all, but that was how I met my husband. He has an awkward sense of humor when it has to do with helping people. So, you're part of the family now, okay? Anything we do for you is because you're part of the family. So you deserve it, and even more. So here you go.
₦3 million?
Yes, I just added a little fraction to it. Okay? You're welcome to our home.
Thank you.
All right?
Thank you. Thank you so much. God bless you.
God bless you too. See you around.
Thank you.
Choma, run. What are you waiting for? Now's your chance. You have the money, and if you don't know what to do with all of it, send some to your parents and use the rest for yourself. It's game over. Don't listen to her, okay? Stay true to your honor. Look at him. He's your husband, your responsibility. All these people have done is shower you with love, with so much care. Don't dash their hopes away. Choma, don't listen to this loser. Run!
Oh my God. The policemen are still looking for me.
Sweetie, what's wrong? Are you going somewhere?
Ma? Yes. Ma? No. Yes.
Yes, Mom.
Yes, Mom. I wanted to go for a run. I wanted to go to the gym, but I have this very strong headache. I don't feel like it anymore.
Oh, yeah? Well, I'm sure Johnny would love his wife to be in shape. Are you okay?
Ma?
I said Johnny would definitely love you to be in shape.
Right.
Yeah. About the headache, you should do something. Take something, all right?
Ma?
Did you hear me?
No.
The headaches, you should take something.
Oh, I will right away.
Okay.
Thank you, Ma.
You're pregnant.
When I married her, the first day I went to meet her, to take her out. She was so scared. She was so scared, I came prepared. See as beautiful she is. She turned red.
That's what she's studying now.
I thought you're on my side.
No, but actually, love is sweet. Love is sweet,
That's when you're with the right person. Don't forget to add that.
I agree. That's what she's trying to do, isn't it? No?
What is that?
I don't know. She okay?
I hope so.
Are you hearing that?
Mm-hmm.
What's the matter?
Shama. Are you okay? Okay, hold on. Just 1 minute. You know what? Use this, okay? No, it's fine. Just, just use it. I'll be back. Have you used it? Yes!
My love.
Oh!
This is amazing.
Yes, super amazing. Is my God not wonderful?
Of course it is.
This is a miracle.
I can't believe this. Amazing. But I need to drive her straight to the hospital now. Do a blood test.
Yeah, I agree. To be double sure, right?
Absolutely. You know what I mean?
Well, she is. I'm super happy.
And look at the child, but was afraid of money.
Oh my goodness, she's such a sweetheart. She's a sweetheart. Really? Here's apple, right? It's. Oh, you don't have to wait till you're hungry before you eat now. Eat something. Okay, at least take a bite. Okay? Take a huge bite. You're eating for 2. Come on.
Absolutely.
Yeah, she's eating for 2.
Apples don't bite, do they? Oh yes. Eat, my dear, eat.
Another check.
I told you. I told you. Once we confirm that, there's more where that is coming from.
Thank you, Daddy.
No, we should thank you. We are grateful to you. Yeah. All right?
You brought joy.
Joy. Our dreams have come true. All right? We owe you everything. We owe you the world. This is nothing.
Thanks, sweetie.
I have just one question to ask you. Are you not tired of suffering? It's like you like poverty. This is your last chance to say goodbye to poverty forever. Take this money and leave.
What about the baby? We had a deal.
The baby. Once you deliver this baby, these people will forget all about you. The deal is off. Don't you get it?
Honey, have you seen Chioma this morning?
No. Well, quite unlike her. She normally comes to greet me. In the mornings, anyway.
Yes. Let me check on them. Let me check on both of them.
All right, love. Are you getting set?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
Chioma. Johnny, what's wrong? Why are you like this? Where's Chioma? What is this?
By the time you read this, I will be far gone. I do not belong here. Please, don't bother looking for me. Thank you so much for everything you've done for me. I hope I'm able to repay you someday. Bye.
No. Really? Look at this.
Wow.
Look.
What's that?
This is what I saw.
No, she can't do this to us.
We don't deserve this. You need to find her. We need to find our grandchild. So are you okay?
Yeah.
Is that not Chioma?
That's her.
That's Chioma.
Let's in the car now. In.
Chioma, don't be scared. Get in.
I thought you were dead.
You must be so dumb to think that little push is enough to kill me. I took a bad molly that night before your arrival. It knocked me down before you came. You owe me. Better don't waste my time. Don't keep me waiting.
Amy Mali, if you know me, I'm equal to the task. Bia, Chioma, where have you been?
Yeah, I'm sorry. It's a long story.
Oh. God. Are you pregnant?
Hmm?
Hey! Ashawo don't get belly. So tell me, why didn't you take pills? Since you know that the condom broke or something.
Well, there was no condom.
Wait, what? There was no condom. So, now so the thing who could reach, so don't forget to buy condom.
I'm leaving.
Which kind of grammar be that? Leaving to where?
See, this Lagos lifestyle not be for me. It's not for me at all. I want to go back to where I came from. I don't want to stay anymore. I just came to say thank you for bringing me here.
Choma, don't do this. You don't have to do this. This is not who you are. Think about everything. Think about how far you've come, everything you've been through. These people love you. They care about you. Don't dash their hopes away. Oh, please. Don't listen to her. Obviously, she's a loser. And at this point, it's very obvious she wants you to remain in abstract poverty. Liar! You are such a liar. You are the deceitful one here. You are very deceitful because why can't you just tell her the truth? There is no life without money. Life is literally meaningless without money. So must you hurt other people in the process of trying to be happy? Oh, please. See, Choma, do not listen to her. Don't listen to her because obviously she doesn't know what she's saying. She's a loser. And at this point, it's obvious that she wants you to remain in abject poverty. Liar! That's a lie. Stop trying to deceive her. You are the deceitful one. Because why can't you tell her the truth? Life is meaningless without money. So you must hurt other people in the process of trying to be happy. Who cares?
Shut up, please. Shut up.
Madam, I need to talk to.
Shut up. Shut up and drive.
Okay, ma.
I just wish she didn't have to run away.
What did the DPO say? Has he been able to come up with anything?
No. Nothing. No traces to match her description at all.
Why am I not surprised? They will disappoint, of course. So have you spoken to your bank manager?
What for?
To block the account, of course, so she doesn't get to withdraw the money.
Why?
Why not? Or has she withdrawn it already?
I haven't received any alert. No. Has anybody called me for authorization? Look, sweetheart. I don't have any reason to block the account. I gave her the money. Who the hell is that coming? All right. Yep. Showman.
I'm sorry. Please forgive me.
This is all the check that you gave me. I never cashed any of them. Please forgive me. Sir, ma.
I left because I didn't know the best way to tell you the truth about my pregnancy.
You were raped?
Yes. Johnny and I never had sex.
What? You mean the fetus you're carrying is not our grandchild?
How can that be true?
I don't know. She's telling the truth, huh? Oh, she's right. We never had sex.
What is going on here?
Hello, wifey. I know you're surprised and confused, but I was never sick.
What?
Son, are you sure you know what you're doing? Yes, Dad. I want the woman I will marry to love me, even in my worst situation. You have a bad feeling about it?
I have a bad feeling about this. It's too corny.
Really?
Yes, it's corny.
Well, son, whatever it is you want to do, your mom and I will back you up, okay? All right, just level up with us all the time, okay? Right, sweetheart? Hmm? You have a choice.
I don't believe you. So all that was just an act?
I'm afraid, yes, it was. And I'm sorry for putting you through all that emotional stress. But I have no regrets. I want to be the father of this child forever. Will you marry me? And make me the happiest man on earth?
Yes.
It's the sweetest thing.
Where do we run them? Congratulations.
This is amazing.
Congratulations.
Anything you want tonight, I'm gonna treat you right. Make you understand that I'm the man that loves you. Make you understand that I'm the man that wants you. City eyes, see I gotta leave some noise. Wanna make you mine, I wanna be your fool. I'm falling in love with you. I'm falling in love with you. I know you want me to, and I wanna be your lover. Oh, I really wanna get down. I really wanna roll with you tonight. Turning my light down low. I really wanna roll with you tonight. Gonna treat you like a beautiful queen. That's how I roll with you